Yo guys, today I'm coming to you guys with a tough issue. My microwave called me fat. I'm telling people that my microwave called me fat. Yeah. Say something to the camera.
Hey clown.
You said hey clown?
Yeah, hey clown.
But I'm talking, hey, I gotta tell him. But no, I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna brutally destroy that microwave. My dad already threw it a couple times. It's like when you call somebody fat, you know, it's not nice, and you should be punished for it. So I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna just destroy the crap out of this thing. Stay with me, dog. Call me fat again, microwave. That's better. Talking smack? You talking smack, microwave? You talking smack? Call me fat again, microwave. Everybody's looking at me. Let's go ham, folks. Time to add a little classical music for a little bit of an enjoyment for this montage. Look at that. Somebody's just moving to the neighborhood and they see this. I'm spilling this microwave's guts. Talk smack again, microwave. Add her up. I hope that's in camera focused angle. Oh gosh, it better have been. Say, don't talk crap again, microwave. Yeah, them are your guts. This is your pal over here that got a couple blows. I don't even know about that. That's glass. We'll wait for you later. I'm gonna keep smashing away on this thing. I see a local skateboarder over there, so why not try a skate trick on this microwave that we just destroyed brutally? Yeah, that looks pretty reasonable. It's not working, folks. It really isn't. It's gonna break my wheels. There goes a local resident. Local residents are coming up to me. I feel like a celebrity. I'm Kim Kardashian. Let's go ham. again. People are staring at me. I've never got so many stares in my life. Watch this. You're gonna die, clown. Oh, I don't think it's gonna work anymore. No! I couldn't stop him. He destroyed Bob. No! No! I mean, I just threw Bob. People are running away from me right now. Probably think I'm a sports psychopath. Like, this girl is literally running away. I'm gonna set you guys up again. I'm gonna show you me throwing Bob. It's got a name now. Stinking Bob. Texting my girlfriend's number? I don't have a girlfriend, but still texting her? You want to text her again? Stay right there, stay right there. Bob, you better stay there. Give me a splinter. You gave me a cut. I'm bleeding, Bob. I'm freaking bleeding. Let's go get my grandpa's reaction. Oh, that's a nasty bleeding. That's what I do for you guys. Let me wipe the blood off. Oh, gosh. Let's go get my grandpa's reaction. Hey, Papa, you want to come out and see how the damage was done? For the viewers?
Why don't you sit back there?
You want to come see? I'm bleeding out.
That's okay.
Look, I'm bleeding.
Your turn to get the peace of mind that comes with having CarShield, so you can worry less about auto repairs.
He doesn't even care. I'm bleeding out here, dude. Look at it. I'm bleeding out. Come check it out. You trying to come outside?
No,
Why not?
I'll look out the window.
Look out the window. I want to see the reaction. It's a priceless reaction, folks. People are literally staring at me out there.
How about?
Even the police officer over there.
I was like, it's nuts. That's your drugs.
Wow. I'm gonna go clean this up before I get any more people staring at me, but the moral of the story is, don't tell people they're fat. This is what happens, you know? But hey, who doesn't like a good destroying of something? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends. And I'm gonna get stared at more and more every minute. I'm gonna go clean this up though, so make sure to like this video, because I literally injured myself. And there's a cop literally right next to me. Here in my garage, my new Porsche. No, I'm just kidding. But destroying things really work up a sweat, dude. I've produced a lot of sweat glands, dude. Enough sweat glands to feed a whole country. And to be honest, if you want one part of my sweat glands, I could sell it for merch. That could be a new merch thing. This is my dad's Corvette. It's everyday something people can get. I'm not that rich. I'm wearing this shirt because I just got back from golfing, dude. So I'm not actually a spoiled freaking kid, you know. I don't wear this on the daily. And dude, the amount of cuts that I've got for this video is insane. It's enough for you to like the video, man. It only takes like 2 seconds, and you like it, and you feel so good afterward. But honestly, I'm gonna be producing more banger content, so stay tuned to that. I'm gonna go clean up my cuts. And I'm just gonna give you a little aftermath of all of the cleaning up of the. Dude, I don't even know how I got cut there. I got cut there. I got cut in the back of my leg. You can't even see it, but it's ridiculous, man. My garage won't shut. Whatever. I'm taking you over here. Take a look at. I got it all in a nice even pile. That was a microwave at one point. This looks like some nerd like stuff. I don't know. Check out the calves. Check out the calves. You like them? But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe this video. And have a great day.